Hi and welcome to this video. I want to show you how amazing OTG works on the Huawei Nova. It doesn't work on the older models, but on the Huawei Nova with the USB Type-C, it works perfectly. Here I have the simplest example. It's a Kingston memory stick USB flash drive, 3.1 USB on the one side, and on the other side, standard USB. First of all, I'll show you with this USB. Plug it in. And I have, see what it says? Voila. Here is my Kingston. Here I can view the files. Here I have the internal, I have the SD card inside, and I have the Kingston. Okay, so that works perfectly. If I try the same with this is a OTG adapter, that's what it's called. So here I can plug any standard USB on. I'll also plug in a mouse later, but just to show you, this works perfectly well as well. Look. Just like on a computer. Well, it's there. I'll unplug it again. Okay. Now I'll plug a mouse in it. And I love that feature. So here we have a mouse, a standard mouse. You can plug any USB mouse on it. So here we have a mouse. Voila. And we have a cursor. Look, here there are even options. I can go you see, everything works. I go to settings. I can go to advanced. Oh yeah, I can go back, forth. The pointer, you see here? Here I have, no, that's a printer. The pointer, where do we have the pointer? Location, backup, language. Would it be on the screen display maybe? Brightness, notification panel, screen unlock, accounts, apps. Maybe it's the developer options. Buffer size. Pointer location. Screen overlay. Okay, that's not it. I have a call. Phone call. Yeah.